to see for the Nashville Sounds game. It is beautiful. Here, there's a beautiful view if you guys want to see. It's so beautiful. You see the view, Dad? Dad's going to be in this one too. You guys go check it. Oh, we're at the field, guys. Here's the ballpark. You guys can see it right now. Right away. At the ballpark, you gotta go that way, right there, and then you'll be arrived at your destination about 35 minutes until the game starts. And let's get to the game. Let's play. We're gonna go watch them play some baseball. And Nashville Sounds playing the Bulls, and there's a Braves fan right there. You guys, my dad is excited. He went on Tuesday and they won 6-4. Hopefully they win again. Think they're going to win, Dad? Yes, he said. If you guys heard him, he said yes. And go check out that video that my dad beat me in horse. He didn't even notice I was recording it. So go check that video out. He's got to play from Sopakin. And then this year we're going to the Titans game too. So stick around for that. But we're just at the Sounds game today. I was going to record the Indy race coming to Nashville, but we didn't get tickets. They were too expensive. Okay. I don't know why I'm scaring like that. Okay, sorry, I'm being a little weird. NT ways. Two minutes this video's been. Just parking right now. A lot of people already. People's excited about the Sounds. If we had Sound shirts, I'll be going go Sounds. And I might record for the whole game, I don't know. But if I do, I'll send it to YouTube. You guys can watch it.
Hey, it's spot available.
Oh, what? There's a lot of parking now. It's gonna be a long walk to the stadium, isn't it, Dad?
Oh, we can park right here.
Oh yeah, we could. We could, Dad. We could.
Ain't that far a walk?
Yeah, it's not. It's not. Is that the stadium or is it somewhere else?
No, the stadium's this way.
No. Guys, I'll be recording part 2 of this. Telling y'all, beautiful Nashville post-game. That was a great post-game. But we'll see you. We will record the game.